Today, I'm not just showing you another luxury property. I've got something truly special for you today. We're located in one of the most sought after locations in all of the GTA. It's not something that's tucked away 50 kilometers in the middle of nowhere. This home behind me is truly a one of one. We hear the term multi-generational home or multi-generational living, but I have been into thousands of homes and I actually haven't seen that yet. Not the way that this is. Sometimes we hear that term and we think about older properties that have been renovated, or we think about basement suites that have crammed somebody into it. But this is actually thought out from the ground up. Let me show you how.
Baby, why you so fine? Got to make you mine.
Every single detail was thought out and built with intention. This isn't just any ordinary 3-car garage. It's oversized, it's insulated, it has tall ceilings, pot lights, hot water, even hardwired internet. For anyone that's a car enthusiast, you can have your cars as your background in your home office. Almost 7,000 square feet of meticulously thought out living space. We have a floor plan that's circular, so it connects the whole main floor. This room in particular, this is actually the home office over here, but it has been designed in a way that it could be used as a bedroom. You have a full closet over here, you have full windows over here, and the best part is that you have double doors that close in. No details in this house have been missed, right down to the appliances. Everything is SubZero, Wolf, or Miele, including the little fridge in the servery. That also is SubZero. One thing that you might not notice is this walk-in hidden pantry. This side entrance leads us to an elevator. The elevator goes to all floors of this house. Before we go in the elevator, you'll notice there's an opening over here. This opening will accommodate a door. I'm gonna see you guys on the second floor. Where my cameraman is standing, well, that's where the bridge is. And behind him, that's the surprise we were telling you about. But right now, we're gonna be on the second floor where we got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and this primary has a 17 by 6 closet, and it has heated floors in the bathroom.
Girl, you knockin' me.
Welcome to the lower level of this property, where we have the entertainment hub and also the wellness center. We have a glassed out gym, we have a steam shower, pool table, bar, and an entertainment area that will not disappoint. We're back on the second floor. My cameraman is on the bridge. I am on the bridge, and behind me is a surprise we've been talking about. Once you come through that door, you're in your private condominium. You will have your own dining room, living room, bedroom, bathroom, laundry, your own privacy. On top of all of that, you have your own HVAC system. This is one of my favorite spots between the house and the garage. You have a private courtyard. I'm sitting in front of the house and I feel very private over here. Not only has the house been thought about, it's also been thought about from an entertainment perspective. You could be entertaining in the basement and seamlessly come up and right onto your deck, where you would have from where the house ends to the property line 100 feet. If multi-generational living is on your mind, but without the compromise in lifestyle, this is truly a one of one that you are not going to find. If you're interested in a private tour, feel free to give me a call.